नमो ओम विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते गोपाल कृष्ण गोस्वामी नीति नामिने। नमो ओम विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी नीति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाष्टतदेशतारिणे। हरे कृष्णा। His Holiness Gopal Krishna Maharaj K. Srila Prabhupada was writing an offering to his Guru Maharaj. In this offering, he says, festivals are not for fruits and flowers. Festivals are not for flowery words. One who surrendered to the order of the spiritual master is the one who can actually glorify the spiritual master. And this is what we see from His Holiness Gopal Krishna Goswami Maharaj, that he had surrendered to the order of his spiritual master, His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, and did everything to please him. Everything to please him. Srila Prabhupada beautifully says to Mr. Sethi in Juhu, as you are building the homes for the devotees and the Lord is also building your home in the spiritual world. And we see Maharaj, he has built many temples. In fact, one time I said, Maharaj, it's that 12 temples in Delhi? He said, no, it is 18. Maharaj, every time when I ask you, the count is increasing. Yes, he said, we are expanding. Every time. Now it is more than 20, I think so. So surely the Lord has built a palace for him in the spiritual world. A palace. And what a loss. What a big loss. As I was saying in Vrindavan, many devotees have lost your father. The ISKCON lost his general, one of his general. The ISKCON Bureau lost his chairman. And the TOVP lost everything. Lost its father because he was supporting big time. Whenever we have problems, we used to go to him and he used to take us out of the problems. We lost a general. He was general for the TOVP. And we lost a hero. He was our hero. He was our hero. All this was possible because of his able leadership. Able leadership. We lost our hero. Whenever we had money problems, we used to go to him. In fact, in 2016, I vividly remember, then we started a very big campaign. Our campaign turned into events. So when we decided that what was the first event which we are going to do, we went to him. We said, Maharaj, you have your Vyasa Puja. And we wanted to come to your Vyasa Puja and present the temple of Vedic Planetarium and collect donations. He immediately said, yes, you come. Even though later he put it in the board, devotees were not comfortable. This is Vyasa Puja. We are turning into a fundraising event. But he didn't listen. He said, yes, TOVP has to come. This was in 2016. So we made that Vyasa Puja into a whole fundraising event. we collected that time. This happened again. The next Vyasa Puja. We said, Maharaj, we wanted to come again. He said, yes, you please come and collect for TOVP. It is very priority. It's Prabhupada's project. So we did again. And the next year it happened again. It happened almost 4 to 5 times. And all his Vyasa Puja, the Mayapur devotees, the Temple of Vedic Planetarium devotees were there, was collecting. And he himself was telling all his disciples to contribute to the Temple of Vedic Planetarium. Not only that, whatever Guru Dakshin he got on the day of Vyasa Puja, he used to give all those Dakshin to build the Temple of Vedic Planetarium. Not only that, whenever I visited him either in Vrindavan or in Mayapur or wherever he is in his room, he always gave me money to build the temple. Always. I never walked empty-handed from his room. Every time. He was so dedicated. He wanted this temple to be completed and he wants to see it in his life. Unfortunately, Krishna had different plans. It is a big loss for us. It is a big loss for everybody, and it is a very, very big loss for personally for me and for the Temple of Vedic Planetarium. I still remember last year in America, the American devotees had called him to do a Vyasa Puja there. So we had a 6 months tour, and our tour was already completed. And when I came to know that he is coming for his Vyasa Puja there in America, so I approached him. Maharaj, all the devotees from Canada and America are here, so why don't you give me an opportunity to speak here? Maharaj immediately said, yes. And the disciples said, why don't we do it a little bit before? Because this is the first time we are inviting Maharaj. So he immediately said, Brajbalas, don't worry, I'm having an initiation ceremony. There are many devotees who are getting initiated, and devotees from all over the world are coming. You present there. In initiation ceremony, I was speaking for 1.5 hours. Did everything. The whole collection, we did more than $1 million on that initiation ceremony. And he was not well also. He was totally present, telling all the disciples, yes, you should support. Any program with a great congregation, I would be there and he would give me an opportunity. Any programs, anywhere in the world. This is His Holiness Gopal Krishna Goswami Maharaj. Such a dedicated service, more than 57 years of dedicated service to His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Where will I go? Where will I go now? Whose door I will knock? Where will I go? I only pray to Maharaj today. I know Maharaj will not leave me an orphan. I'm sure all the disciples of His Holiness Gopal Krishna Maharaj, as Prabhuji was saying, Sarvadik Prabhu, that Vani is very important. So I'm sure, I pray to Maharaj that the disciples of His Holiness Gopal Krishna Maharaj will be my shelter from today onwards. I'm very, very grateful from the chairman Ambarish Prabhu and the rest of the TOP team. We are very, very grateful to His Holiness Gopal Krishna Goswami Maharaj, and we pray today to him so that we can serve as dedicatedly like him, give our lives for his divine grace. A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. With this, with broken heart, with tears, I end here. His Holiness Gopal Krishna Goswami Maharaj K. His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada K. Thank you.
His Holiness Gopal Krishna Maharaj Ki, Srila Prabhupada Ki, Samaveta Bhakta Mandali Ki. Shri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakti Sadma.
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 Bandamoy Savadhana Mate.
Sabadana Mate.
Bandamoy Savadhana Mate.
Bandamoy Sabadana Mate.
Jaharo Prasade Bhai E Bhavatto Reya Jai.
Jaharo Prasade Bhai E Bhavato Priya Jai.
Jaharo Prasade Bhai E Bhavatto Reya Jai.
Jaharo Prasade Bhai E Bhavato Priya Jai.
Krishna Prapti Hai Jaha Hoite.
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 Guru Mukha Padma Vakya Chitte Koriya Oikya. प्रसादे पूरे सर्व आशा जे प्रसादे पूरे सर्व आशा चक्षुदान दिल जे जन्मे जन्मे प्रभु से चक्षुदान दिल जे जन्मे जन्मे प्रभु से दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित प्रेम भक्ति जहाँ होते अविद्या विनाश जाते प्रेम भक्ति जहाँ होते अविद्या विनाश जाते वेद गाए जहाँ चरित वेद गाए जहाँ चरित श्री गुरु करुणा सिंह अधम जनार बंधु लोकनाथ लोकेर जीवन लोकनाथ लोकेर जीवन हाँ प्रभु कर दया देह मोरे पद छाया कर दया देह मोरे पद छाया एबे जस कुसुम त्रिभुवन एबे जस कुसुम त्रिभुवन जय गोपाल कृष्ण गोस्वामी महाराज गोपाल कृष्ण गोस्वामी महाराज जय गोपाल कृष्ण गोस्वामी महाराज गोपाल कृष्ण गोस्वामी महाराज जय गुरुदेव गोपाल कृष्ण गुरुदेव जय जगत गुरु श्रील प्रभुपाद जगत गुरु श्रील प्रभुपाद जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 उलुद्धने हरिद्धने जयध्वने जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 Holiness Gopal Krishna Goswami Maharaj Sangsara dava nalaledha loka tranaya karunna ghana ghanata संसार दावा नललेढ़ा लोक त्राणाय कारुण्य घन घनतम प्राप्तस्य कल्याण गुणार्णवस्य वंदे गुरो श्री चरणारविंद वंदे गुरो श्री चरणारविंद वंदे गुरो श्री चरणारविंद महाप्रभो कीर्तन नृत्य गीत वादित्र मादन मनसर सेन रोमांचकम्पाश्रुतरंग भाजो वंदे गुरो श्री चरणारविंद वंदे गुरो श्री चरणारविंद वंदे गुरो श्री चरणारविंद श्री विग्रहाराधन नित्य नाना শৃঙ্গার তন্মন্দির মার্জনাদ শ্রী বিগ্রহারাধন নিত্য নানা শৃঙ্গার তন্মন্দির মার্জনাদ যুক্তস্য ভক্তাংশ্চ নিযুঞ্জতয়পি বন্দে গুর শ্রী চরণারবিন্দ বন্দে গুর শ্রী চরণারবিন্দ বন্দে গুর শ্রী চরণারবিন্দ চতুর্বিধা শ্রী ভগবৎ প্রসাদ স্বাদন্ন তৃপ্তান হরিভক্ত সংঘ কৃতৈব তৃপ্তিং ভজত সদৈব বন্দে গুর শ্রী চরণারবিন্দ বন্দে গুর শ্রী চরণারবিন্দ বন্দে গুর শ্রী চরণারবিন্দ শ্রী রাধিকা মাধবয়র পার মাধুর্য লীলা গুণরূপ নামনা শ্রী রাধিকা মাধবয়র পার মাধুর্য লীলা গুণরূপ নামনা প্রতীক্ষণা স্বাদন লোপস্য বন্দে গুরু শ্রী চরণারবিন্দ বন্দে গুরু শ্রী চরণারবিন্দ বন্দে গুরু শ্রী চরণারবিন্দ বন্দে গুরু শ্রী চরণারবিন্দ নিকুঞ্জ জুন রতি কেলে সিদ্ধ যা জালের ভীর যুক্তির পেক্ষণীয়া তত্রাদিদাক্ষাদতি বল্লভস্য বন্দে গুরু শ্রী চরণারবিন্দ বন্দে গুরু শ্রী চরণারবিন্দ বন্দে গুরু শ্রী চরণারবিন্দ
গুরা শ্রী চরণারবিন্দ
वंदे गुरु श्री चरणरविंद
वंदे गुरु श्री चरणारविंद
साक्षात् धरितेन समस्त शास्त्र रुक्तस्तथा भाव्यत एव सद्भि
साक्षाधरित्वेन समस्त शास्त्रैर्युक्त तथा भाव्यत एव सद्भिः
किंतु प्रभुर्ज प्रिय एव तस्य
किन्तु प्रभोर्य प्रिय एव तस्य
वंदे गुरो श्री चरणारविंद
वन्दे गुरो श्री चरणारविन्द
वंदे गुरो श्री चरणारविंद
वन्दे गुरो श्री चरणारविन्द
वंदे गुरो श्री चरणारविंद
वन्दे गुरो श्री चरणारविन्द
वंदे गुरो श्री चरणारविंद जस्य प्रसादाद भगवत प्रसाद जस्य प्रसादान नगति कुतयोपि धैर्यस्तु वंशस्य जशस्त्री संध वंदे गुरु श्री चरणारविंद 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 जय गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव जय गोपाल कृष्ण गोस्वामी गुरुदेव गोपाल कृष्ण गोस्वामी गुरुदेव जय जगत गुरु शिल प्रभुपाद जगत गुरु शिल प्रभुपाद जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हिज होलिनेस गोपाल कृष्ण गोस्वामी महाराज की श्रील प्रभुपाद की